Hello dear students, in last video I taught you simple sentence in synthesis. Today I will teach you compound sentence. This is the second part of synthesis. Here, as you know, combination of two or more than two sentences into a compound sentence. Let us see what is compound sentence. In compound sentence, we find at least a principal clause and other coordinate clauses. It begins with any coordinating conjunction or relative pronoun or relative adverb. We use two different kinds of rules. Let us see first by using coordinating conjunction and second by using relative pronoun or relative adverb. So see how we are going to combine two or more than two sentences by using coordinating conjunction. When we combine two or more than two sentences into a compound sentence, we use coordinating conjunction. There are four kinds of coordinating conjunction. First, by using cumulative conjunction, we use and as well as not only but also both and etc just before the coordinate clause. We can see the example. He is honest, he is gentle. Now when we are going to combine it, see how we are combining it. He is not only honest but also gentle. So not only but also. In the second example, she went Agra, she saw the Taj. She went Agra and she saw the Taj. So here we have combined those two sentences as a compound sentence. See the second, by using alternative conjunction. That is alternative conjunction. We use conjunction either or neither nor otherwise etc. So see the example, come in time, do not come at all. So we can define it just by using alternative conjunction. We add alternative conjunction either come in time or do not come at all. In the second example, make haste, you will miss the train. Make haste or you will miss the train. See the third, by using adversative conjunction. Here you will find the adverse situation. We use but yet still nevertheless whereas while etc just before any coordinate clause. So example, he is poor, he is happy. He is poor but he is happy. Second example, she is lazy, she scored good marks. She is lazy yet she scored good marks. By using elative conjunction, that is the fourth, we use conjunction so, hence, therefore, etc. So see the example here. She is the daughter of a professor. She is intelligent. So you will use the conjunction here. She is the daughter of a professor, so she is intelligent. Start. Second, by using relative pronoun or relative adverb. When we combine two or more than two sentences into a compound sentence, we use relative pronoun or relative adverb in its continuative sense. Conjunctions who, which, where, how, when, etc. are used in its continuative sense. We can see the example here. Rahul met Mohan. Mohan gave him a pen. So you will find the conjunction who in its continuative sense. Rahul met Mohan who gave him a pen. Similarly, the second example, I am going to Delhi. I will stay there for a week. I am going to Delhi where I will stay for a week. That is in a continuative sense. So this is the end of your compound sentence. I'll give you the exercise based on see here exercise. As you see, you have to do it, but I am giving you hints here. I am going to Delhi. I will stay there for a week. So in its continuative sense, you will see I am going to Delhi where I will stay for a week. In the second, make haste, you will be late. Here you can add or make haste or you will be late. Similarly, you have to do all this exercise from 1 to 29.